Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you Revolut versus Monzo. Which app is better for budgeting and saving? So let's begin. Monzo excels at budgeting and saving with a user-friendly approach designed to help you stay on top of your finances. Its standout features include real-time spending notifications, automatic categorization of expenses, and the popular pots feature, which allows you to set aside money for different saving goals. Monzo budgeting tools are intuitive, making it easy to track your spending and set limits on various categories like groceries or entertainment. Monzo also offers interest on saving with its easy access saving accounts, and the app is known for its transparency and fee-free structure, especially in the UK, while also offering solid budgeting tools. Shines in its flexibility and global focus. Revolut app provides analytics that break down your spending by category, similar to Monzo. Revolut also offers vaults where you can round up purchases and save spare change or set money aside for specific goals. Where Revolut stands out is its multi currency accounts and global money management features, making it ideal for users who travel frequently or deal with multiple currencies. Additionally, Revolut offers metal plans that provide cashback, additional savings, and investment options, including cryptocurrency and stocks. In summary, Monzo is the better choice for UK based users who want straightforward budgeting and saving tools with a focus on simplicity and everyday money management. Revolut is better suited for users who need more flexibility, especially when managing money across currencies, and who may benefit from additional financial services like investments and premium perks. If your focus is on budgeting and saving domestically, Monzo is a solid choice, while Revolut offers more versatility for those with a global outlook. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.